Understanding the biochemistry of plants and how they interact with each other, it really just changes your whole worldview, and understanding that plants are the basis of how complex life is able to live here. I had a young child just before the pandemic and started to really feel insecure about the industry I was in and think about whether I could do anything that was more part of society. Started doing research and saw that plant science jobs are really needed in the future, and that combined with my interests and love of nature already, it seemed like the obvious choice. The most important thing about studying plants is for food security, really. Most of our food comes from plants, also medicines, important materials. On a personal level, I think the more you learn about plants and the natural world, it helps you see the sort of connectedness of everything and feel part of this world. Towards the end of my second year, I applied for some studentship grants, and I did an 8-week bioinformatics project looking at the evolution of genes involved in different stages of flowering in plants. I hadn't really thought about the power of computing in science, and it really grew my confidence and really made me feel I'd gone that level up, and made me see how you go from being a student to actually working in the industry or in academia. I'd definitely like to keep working in this area. Plans are to apply for the civil service science department. As a student with a young son and I'm a mature student, I've always found people really flexible. In regular meetings with my personal tutor, who's always very happy to listen, and definitely hasn't been an obstacle in any way. The life science building, that's such a beautiful modern building. It fills you with confidence that you're in the right place. One thing I found really amazing about doing a degree is the lecturers and the researchers, and these are really interesting people that have studied some really important things. Bristol is a diverse place, really good music scene, so easy to get from the centre out into nature and green spaces. Getting a degree here is really going to help me reach my potential and hopefully give something back.